With Russia's army evolving backwards, Ukraine continues to use intel and precision to strike as effective as they can, with as little resources as possible. With Russia sending motorcycle attacks, Ukraine managed to spot them before they launched the attack, gathering up before in close proximity, making a single strike to be able to hit them all, making Ukraine to take the opportunity and send a GMLRS rocket with cluster munition, taking out multiple targets in one strike, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.